What if you could get a lightweight drone with GPS, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, laser obstacle avoidance, and professional aerial photography features, all without needing drone registration in most countries? Sounds too good to be true? Well, today on Caring Guy, we're checking out the new L200 Plus GPS Drone, a foldable 249-gram quadcopter that's packed with impressive technology for beginners and aerial photography enthusiasts alike. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's find out. First impressions are excellent. The L200 Plus features a modern silver gray design that looks sleek and premium. One of its biggest advantages is its weight. At just 249 grams, it falls below the registration threshold in many countries, making it easier for hobbyists to get flying without additional paperwork. When folded, it's incredibly compact and can easily fit inside a backpack. The included carrying bag makes transportation even more convenient for travel, hiking, vacations, and outdoor adventures. This is exactly the type of drone you can take almost anywhere. Now let's talk about the camera system. The L200 Plus comes equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal combined with EIS, electronic stabilization. This dual stabilization system is one of the drone's most attractive features. Mechanical stabilization physically reduces camera shake, while EIS helps smooth out remaining vibrations. Together, they create noticeably smoother footage compared to drones that rely only on electronic stabilization. The camera features 4K photo capability, 110-degree wide-angle lens, 5x digital zoom, electric camera adjustment, and real-time FPV transmission. The adjustable camera allows you to quickly switch between forward views and dramatic downward aerial shots. For travel videos, social media content, family memories, and casual aerial photography, the camera system performs surprisingly well for a drone in this category. One feature that immediately stands out is the 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance system. The drone continuously scans its surroundings and can detect obstacles up to approximately 20 meters away. When obstacles are detected, the system helps prevent collisions by warning or stopping the drone before impact. While no obstacle avoidance system is perfect, especially in complex environments, this feature adds an extra layer of confidence for beginners. If you're still learning to fly, you'll definitely appreciate the added protection. The L200 Plus uses both GPS and GLONASS satellite systems. This dual satellite positioning setup improves location accuracy and stability during flight. As a result, you get several intelligent safety features: one key return home, low battery return, signal loss return, real-time position tracking. These features help reduce the risk of losing your drone and make flying much less stressful. For many pilots, GPS functionality is one of the most important features in a modern drone. The L200 Plus includes a variety of intelligent flight modes designed to make aerial photography easier. These include Follow Me mode, GPS follow, Image follow, Waypoint route planning, Point of interest orbit flight, Gesture photography, Tap to fly navigation. These features allow even beginner pilots to create dynamic and cinematic shots with minimal effort. Simply select a mode and let the drone do most of the work. Under the hood, the drone uses 1503 brushless motors, rated at 2100 kV. Brushless motors offer several advantages: better efficiency, longer lifespan, more power, lower maintenance, quieter operation. The drone can reach speeds of up to approximately 45 kilometers per hour. Combined with GPS stabilization and optical flow positioning, flight performance feels stable and responsive. Whether you're flying over open fields, beaches, parks, or mountain viewpoints, the L200 Plus remains easy to control. Powering the drone is a 7.4-volt, 3,800 mAh smart lithium battery. The manufacturer claims up to 25 minutes of flight time. In real-world conditions, you can generally expect around 18 to 25 minutes, depending on wind conditions, speed, camera usage, and flight style. That's enough time to capture plenty of footage before needing a recharge. The battery uses a convenient plug-in design and charges through USB power. The drone supports 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, providing a live video feed directly to your smartphone. The advertised image transmission distance is approximately 300 to 400 meters in interference-free conditions. Control range is around 500 meters in practical use. This is more than sufficient for recreational aerial photography and sightseeing flights. The video feed remains smooth enough for composing shots and navigating safely. The new L200 Plus is ideal for first-time drone pilots, travel vloggers, outdoor adventurers, hobby photographers, social media content creators, users who want GPS and obstacle avoidance without spending premium drone money. If you're expecting cinema-grade professional filmmaking performance, you'll still want a higher-end platform. But for casual and enthusiast-level aerial photography, this drone offers a very attractive package. What I like? Lightweight 249-gram design. No registration required in many countries. 3-axis mechanical gimbal. EIS stabilization. GPS plus GLONASS positioning. 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance. Foldable travel-friendly design. Brushless motors. Intelligent flight modes. Good battery life. A few things to keep in mind. Digital zoom reduces image quality. Actual transmission range is lower than theoretical figures. Charging time is relatively long. Strong winds can still affect lightweight drones. The new L200 Plus GPS drone successfully combines portability, safety, intelligent flight features, and stabilized aerial photography into one compact package. Its 249-gram weight, 3-axis gimbal, laser obstacle avoidance, GPS navigation, and brushless motors make it one of the more feature-rich drones in its class. For beginners and hobbyists looking for a travel-friendly drone with advanced features, the L200 Plus is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review on Caring Guy. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more drone reviews, tech gadgets, and innovative products. See you in the next video.